Today we talk about how can you enable swaps notifications on your Phantom app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go here above your name, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to enter with you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on preferences here. Then you come to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on notifications. So then you come to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Come here to swaps. So then here you click here in this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us the Smith swaps notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.